Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's Decorate With Me, I'm going to show you how I dressed up this wooden window pane that I found at HomeGoods. And then I'm also going to be switching out my bedding back to the white. I am obsessed with white bedding. I think it is crisp, clean, and beautiful looking. And then I also did a few minor things in the master bathroom, which I am excited to share with you as well. And then I purchased a couple of other little things for my kitchen, and I just cannot wait to share everything with you. I hope that you enjoy today's video. I hope it inspires you to decorate or just gives you some ideas. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. I'm going to get started here in the master bedroom, and I am just going to be taking off my duvet cover first. I'm going to get that thrown in the washer, and I'm going to get all of my bedding washed. So while I have everything off of my bed, I am going to work on the wall that is right behind my bed, and I'm going to take down what I have up there now, and then I'm going to show you this wooden window pane that I found at HomeGoods. If you remember one of my past videos that I recently did, it was a antique shop with me. I found a ton of beautiful window panes, those old wooden window panes, but I don't think I found any under $80, and I found a ton of them at HomeGoods, and here it is right here. It was only $39.99, and they did have a ton. I'm not sure if you can find some at your store. If you have a HomeGoods, you might even be able to find some at Marshall's, because those two stores are very similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some lace that I just had this up in my sewing room. I think I purchased this lace fabric online. I want to say it was eBay. I'm not quite sure. I have had it for quite some time now, but I'm just going to line up the ends and then center it right in the middle, and I'm using a staple gun for this, and then I'm just going to kind of fold them over and then just kind of make them look a little pleated, and that's it. That's all I'm going to do, and then I'm just going to trim off the bottom. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button right now before you forget, if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. I appreciate you tremendously. Also, go follow me over on my Instagram. I post over there all the time, and I post a little bit of everything, decor related, lifestyle related, everything. So you're going to want to follow me over there. I also have a link down in my description box that will lead you right to my Instagram. So once I had this hanging up on the wall, I did feel like it needed a little something extra to add to that beauty or the feminine look that I love going for here in my home. And I thought just adding a couple florals up here and maybe a little bit of greenery would do the trick, and it did. I love the way it looks. It totally softened up the rusticness of this wooden piece. I love it, and I love the lace behind it. I am just obsessed with this. I think it turned out so beautiful. It was a subtle change to this wall and I just love it. I would like to add that the florals and the greenery that I used for this are just reused decor pieces. These were the same florals and greenery pieces that I had in those boho macrame wall pockets that I had up here. So I didn't go out and purchase any extra florals for this video. And the only thing that I did purchase for this wall was the window pane, because I had the lace fabric and then I had the florals and the greenery already. I did buy the florals and the greenery at Hobby Lobby. Before making my bed, I'm just going to give it a really quick dusting, and I'm just using an all-purpose cleaner for this. I believe it was the peppermint scented Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. It was just what I had here in my master bathroom. And then I have fresh sheets, and I'm just putting those on really quickly. And then I'm going to add my duvet cover. I do get asked about this specific duvet cover a lot every time I have it here on my bed, and I did purchase it at Target. Unfortunately, they have discontinued the Simply Shabby Chic line, so you cannot buy them anymore in store. I have heard and seen online that you can purchase this line at Walmart, but I've also heard that the quality is not the same. It's not 100% cotton, and it's just a little bit different. It is less expensive. I honestly cannot give you a true and honest opinion on it because I have not purchased any for myself just yet. I haven't even actually seen them in store. I have seen them online, and I have known a few people that have purchased them and they are completely happy with it. But to me, I do not like anything with synthetic fabrics on my bed. I like everything to be 100% cotton. I just prefer that. I know there are other people that don't care, or they are the complete opposite, and that is 100% okay, but I'm just giving you my true thoughts on that. So I know that you can probably find this on eBay because there are several people that bought a ton of this stuff when it was being clearance and they knew that it was no longer going to be sold. But the downside is that they have upped the prices like crazy. I purchased my duvet cover for, I want to say 80 something and change. I'm not sure. It was on sale. It was normally $119. And I did get it on sale, but I've seen them anywhere from $200 to $500. So I know that I would have been asked where I did purchase my bedding, and I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of all that information. If you want to give your bedroom a new look without spending a ton of money, you can just do something as simple as switching out your bedding, maybe adding some different colored accent pillows to your bed, maybe just add a pretty throw to the end of your bed. I do have a couple duvet covers that I like to switch out throughout the seasons, but I have to say, when I add my white bedding back on here, I think it looks the most beautiful. This bedroom is not that big, and when I have a lot going on in here with color, it does get a little overwhelming, so I love it when I put my white bedding back on here. Okay, now we're gonna head on into the master bathroom, and one of these knobs recently broke, so I decided to replace all of them. And I found these glass knobs at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 a piece plus 50% off. So I ended up replacing all of them. I got 4 of these and I love them. This is another good way to kind of switch up your decor. If you want a little bit of a change without spending a ton of money, you can just switch out your knobs. I'm actually thinking about doing this in my kitchen. I'm not quite sure what I want to do, but I love change. I love switching things up, and switching out your knobs is a very inexpensive way to give a bathroom or kitchen a new look as well.
Shedding tears or extremely happy, got no one to stick around. Once my heart was in pieces, I told myself that was what I needed. The more I felt drowning in doubt, needed to see a way out somehow. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith, to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed off, and then get rid of. I wanna love, still yearn for heartbreaks, like the feeling of misery. I created my own reality, and as the days passed, the story began. Pushed and pulled until they ran. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom.
I wanted to change the look of my soap dispensers that are here in the bathroom without buying a new bottle for them. I love the glass bottles that I'm using now, so I thought I would just switch out the labels. I did find these on Amazon, and I thought they were really pretty without being like over the top, crazy looking. I just love these. They also come in black with white print. I loved the white with the black print, and that's what I went for. So I just peeled off the existing sticker that was on here, and then I just gave it a little bit of a clean, and then I'm going to add my hand soap label to that. I love how these look, and it was very inexpensive to give your hand soap bottles a new look. This is my dish soap bottle, and I have used this for years. I did have a previous label on here, but it started to peel off. So I decided to take the whole thing off, give this a nice good clean, and then add this dish soap label here. I did end up taking this off and kind of lowering it a little bit because with the way it was rounded up towards the top, it did kind of fold and have bubbles. But I love these. I think they are so pretty. They have that elegant farmhouse look to them, which I am going for. I am all about that French country shabby chic look. I just love it. Okay, so here are some other things that I did find on Amazon as well. I love this little tin soap holder. I was going to place this over here on my sink. I was going to take out this brush holder that I have over here and then place my cleaning brush in here. But once I switched out and saw how it looked, it was a little small, and I thought that the teacup looked prettier. The teacup and that milk glass holder, I thought it looked a little bit better. So I think I'm going to take this upstairs in the master bathroom, and I'm going to place it on my bathtub and maybe put like a little pretty soap in there or something. But I love this. I thought it was really pretty. And then over here I found this adorable salt and pepper container. I thought it was so pretty. I absolutely love this glass knob on top. I have been eyeing this for so long on Amazon, and it was always sold out. I noticed that they had them back in stock, so I decided to grab one, and I just added my salt and pepper to this, and then I'm just gonna keep it over here off to the side right by my stove. I thought it was so cute.
Always by myself, always in control. This is something else. I need to let it go. Like a hurricane, you took the room. In the light of stars, I would tell you what I feel. Love feels like a fever, then you know it is for real. The door is open like the view. I know it's me that caused you trouble, but I'm changing more than you know.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that it inspired you to do some decorating. I hope it gave you some ideas for your own home. I will have links to the items that I found on Amazon for you. If I can find similar links to the window pane and the florals, I will also leave those down in my description box. If you did enjoy today's video, please make sure that you leave me a thumbs up, comment and say hi down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you click out if you haven't already. And I will see you all in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye.